Good morning, students. Joyadash here. Today, our exercise is 6.1 from NCERT. It is the previous chapter only, triangles and its properties. We have done question number 1 yesterday. Now, today we will do question number 2. The question is, draw rough sketches for the following. Rough sketches, that means no need to measure anything, just whatever they are, the question is, you have to do accordingly. In triangle ABC, BE is the median. Only you have to draw a triangle, rough triangle ABC, and you have to show the median BE. Now draw a triangle ABC. I have taken B here so that I can show the median nicely. And what is the median? You know, the midpoint of the base, midpoint of the side where the median will be drawn. So from B to E, it will drawn on opposite side of the vertex B. Opposite side of the vertex B is AC. See, students, E is the approximate midpoint. We can see that AE is nearly about EC, nearly equal to EC. So E is the midpoint of AC. We have to join the line E and B and it will be the median. So you have to write that it is the median. BE is the median. Next, I think you all understood. Only you have to find out the approximate midpoint of AC. After finding the approximate midpoint of AC, you have to join it with B. Then BE will be the median. It is a rough sketch. Next question is, in triangle PQR, PQ and PR are the altitudes of the triangle. PQ and PR both are altitudes. It is only possible when it is a right triangle. If the triangle is like this and P is the 90 degree, then see PQ and PR are standing each other, each another. It is 90 degree to one another, making 90 degree angle. Have you seen this? This side and this side making 90 degree angle to each other. So this, in this case only, PQ and PR will be the altitudes of the triangle. It is a rough sketch again. Next question is, in triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. Well, you have to draw the altitudes, but it will be the exterior of the triangle. When it is possible? When the triangle is obtuse angle triangle. The angle is obtuse angle triangle. In that case only, the altitude will be outside. Say X, Y, Z is the triangle. From Y, you have to draw the altitudes. On the extended portion of ZX, produce ZX, make a dotted line and draw a 90 degree, draw a perpendicular on it, approximate perpendicular. That means you have to use only scale, no need to use protractor and all that. Draw 90 degree approximately straight line from Y to this extended line. It will be the altitudes which is lying exterior of the triangle. XYZ is the triangle where the altitude YL is outside of the triangle, exterior of the triangle. It is a rough sketch. I hope you all understood these three rough sketches. Next, for exercise 6.3, before going to exercise 6.3, we have to understand one property of a triangle. Before going to exercise 6.2, we have to understand one property which is known as exterior angle property of a triangle. What is an exterior angle property of a triangle? Let us try to understand. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. First of all, what is an exterior angle? Say ABC is a triangle. If BC is produced, if the side BC is produced to D, then one angle is formed outside of the triangle. This angle is known as an exterior angle. This angle is an exterior angle. Exterior angle. When in a triangle, when one side is produced, the exterior angle is formed, and the value of this angle is always equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angle. Why they are opposite? Because it is not the adjacent. It is not that adjacent angle. We are not taking this angle. We are taking these two angles. That is why opposite and interior. Interior angles of the triangle, and we are not taking these angles. That is why opposite interior angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. That means if we have to find out the value of x, we have to find this sum of these two angles. We have to find the sum of these two angles. We will do now one experiment to see that it is correct or not. Now see one triangle. I have drawn ABC and I have produced BC to D to make one exterior angle. We have to find out this value of this exterior angle is equal to sum of these two interior opposite angles. Let us take two angles. Measurement of these angles I have made in this way. You have seen it before also. I have seen this measurement. Is it exactly angle A? It is. And this is exactly angle B. We have marked it angle 2, and this one is angle 1. Now angle 1 and angle 2, if this angle is the sum of these two interior opposite angles, then we can say that exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. Let's see. Have you seen, students? The sum of these two angles 1 and 2 is exactly equal to the exterior angle. That means sum of the interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. I hope it is interesting for you and you understood it nicely. Thank you, students.